Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to cough. Maybe you are eating and then you are choked and then you want to cough. You don't just have to do like this. Please, a lot of people, when you are in the public, a lot of people will run away and then leave you thinking it is maybe a coronavirus or something as such. So in today's video, let me show you the simple way you can cough without anybody running away from you. When you have a handkerchief, you just have to use the handkerchief and then you close your mouth and then your nose together and then you do like this. Okay? When you make that sound, everybody will not run away from you and then a lot of people around you will love you because of that sound. If you find this video very educative, don't hesitate to punch the subscribe button for more. Thank you.